Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Oke, di sini kami ingin mengerjakan tugas proyek 2 dengan dialog dengan topik bencana alam di Sumatera. Introducing myself, my name is Muhammad Galang Maulana. My NIM 192520005. My prodi Sistem Informasi.
My name is Naufali Nugroho. My name 19, 25, 21, 47. My prodi System Information. Hello Galang, can I ask you something serious?
Hi Nopal. Of course, you look like you have something on your mind.
Lately, I've been thinking a lot about natural disaster in Indonesia, especially in Sumatra.
Yeah, Sumatra is one of the regions that often experience disaster.
I watched a documentary last night about earthquake and floods there. Honestly, it made me feel uneasy.
I understand. Seeing real footage always feel different than just reading the news.
Exactly. The people look so helpless, yet they tire to stay strong.
That's what amazed me. Even after losing their homes, many of them still smile and support each other.
Do you think disasters like floods and landslides are happening more often now?
In my opinion, yes. Climate change and human activities seems to make things worse.
I agree. Deforestation and illegal logging reduce the land ability to absorb water.
And when heavy rain comes, floods becomes unavoidable.
Sometimes I wonder why people keep damaging nature even though the consequences are so clear.
Maybe because they don't feel the impact immediately.
That's true. They only realize it when disaster finally strikes.
Sadly, the ones who suffer the most are often innocent people.
Especially children and elderly people.
Yes, they are the most vulnerable during disaster.
That's why disaster education is very important.
Yeah, people should know what to do before, during, and after a disaster.
Simple knowledge like evacuation routes can save lives. School have a big role in teaching that.
I'm glad our school sometimes hold disaster simulation. At least we are better prepared than before.
Galang, do you ever feel afraid that one day we might experience a big disaster ourselves?
Honestly, yes, but fear should make us more prepared, not panic.
That's good way to see it.
We can control nature, but we can control how we respond.
As student, what do you think we can really do to help?
Hmm. We can start with small action, like protecting the environment.
Such as reducing plastic use and not littering.
Spreading awareness through social media or school activity.
We could also organize donation for disaster victims.
Yes, even small contribution can mean a lot to them.
Talking about this makes me realize how connected we are to nature.
Nature gives us life, but it also demands respect.
If we ignore that, disaster will keep reminding us.
Hopefully, people will learn before it's too late.
I hope so too. Not only for Sumatra but for all of Indonesia.
This conversation really made me think deeper.
Same for me. It felt like more than just exam practice.
Yes, it feels like a reminder of our responsibility to care.
To prepare ourselves and to protect our environment.
Yes, exactly.